Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm at the APA show in Las Vegas, and in my class, a young lady asked how she could cut holes in a patch so she could stitch by hand. And this would be just one way, and I don't know what size the patch is, but we're just going to make one. So I'm going to take a rectangle. I don't really care what size it is right now. And I'm going to contour the outside corners on it with my ratio locked. I'm just going to start going uphill. You could type in a number, and let's call that good. Now, Corel does not contour to the inside very well, so you'd want to make this your inside diameter, and you can always change it in just a second. So then we're going to go to effects and contour. We're going to contour the outside 1/4 of an inch with rounded corners. So that's your finished product. So at this time you could change it, but we're going to go to object and break the contour apart. So at this time you could make your patch, well, let's just make this one 7 by 4, and it'll keep everything kind of in ratio. Now we've got it broken apart, so we're going to take this inside line, we're going to hit F12 on our keyboard, and we're going to pick a dashed line, something maybe like this. Now you can't really see that, but if you make your line thicker, you can see your dots. Now, while we're here, if you go right here and it'll align the dashed nodes, and then that way and you can play around with this. And then what we want to do is use end caps and make the end caps round. And then we're going to say okay, and if you're happy with that size, that's probably too big, but you can play around with that. Now you still got it selected, and go up to object, convert the outline to an object, and then you can left click, right click, and those are hairlines that are going to cut out those little dashes. Now that's probably, well, that might be pretty well, but you could always pick another line. I can't do it now because I've already converted them to an object, but you could use a smaller hole, or dot. Now you could do this with the blend tool also. That would work pretty well, but this is pretty much the easiest way to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.